Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Get ready, today I'm sharing a super cute crochet star ornament tutorial. It's simple, fun, and perfect for decorating your home or gifting. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos. Make a magic ring. Hold your yarn like this, wrap the yarn around your finger to form a loop. I'm using a 2.5mm crochet hook. Insert your hook under the loop. Yarn over, and pull up a loop. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make 1 double crochet. Yarn over first. Insert your hook into the magic ring. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through to loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Then, chain 1. Repeat again, 1 double crochet and then chain 1. Repeat this pattern 7 more times. 1 double crochet and chain 1. At the end of this round, you will have 9 double crochets. Pull the yarn to close the ring. And join with a slip stitch into the first space. Now, chain 2. Now we are going to make a puff stitch. Pull up for loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over again, insert your hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Repeat that 2 more times. You'll have 9 loops on your hook now. Yarn over and pull through all 9. Chain 2. In the next stitch, make another puff stitch. Pull up for loops. Yarn over and pull through all 9. Chain 2. Repeat this pattern around.
Hi, 'Cause I love you. 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 'Cause
Slip stitch into the top of the puff stitch. Now let's make the first star point. Chain 1. We're going to work into these spaces all around this round. Make 1/2 double crochet. Next, work to double crochets in the same stitch. 1, and 2. Now make a triple crochet. Chain 3. Crochet 1 more triple crochet again. Work 2 more double crochets. And 1 more half double crochet. Chain 1. Now make 1 single crochet into the double crochet we made in first round. Chain 1. Now we're going to repeat the same pattern in the next space for the second star point. 1/2 double crochet. 2 double crochets. 1 triple crochet. Chain 3. One triple crochet. Two more double crochets. And 1/2 double crochet. Chain 1. One single crochet into the double crochet. Now we've made 2 star points. The star shape is starting to show nicely. Repeat this pattern around. Push on the points to make the sharp. Repeat this pattern around. Now we're going to add a hanging loop to the last star point. For this purpose, after chaining 3, pull out a bit of extra yarn. Then, insert your hook into the back loop of the middle chain. And pull the yarn through from inside it. And chain 1. Now finish the rest of the pattern. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. With a yarn needle, weave in the yarn tails to hide them in the work. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, give the video a like, and share it on your social media. Hope the steps were clear and easy to follow. If you have any questions, just write them for me in the comments below. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.